Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I got a quick fix for a common problem. If your orbital sander foam pad has torn apart, don't throw it away just yet. I used some contact cement to bring mine back to life, and the results were surprisingly good. So, my orbital sander is kinda useless right now. The foam pad that holds the sandpaper, it completely ripped apart. Instead of replacing the whole thing, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna glue it back together using contact cement. When using contact cement, the key is to apply it to both surfaces. I'm spreading an even layer on both sides of the ripped foam. You don't want too much, just enough to cover the surface. Now, here's the important part. Contact cement doesn't work like regular glue. You have to let it dry for a few minutes until it's tacky. If you stick it together too soon, it won't bond properly. Now that the glue is tacky, I'm carefully pressing both pieces together. Once they touch, they bond instantly, so you have to align them correctly the first time. If you like this content, please subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next one.